Today's video, we're going to try out the Sonax Profiline Glass Polish. Hello, welcome to ET Garage. I'm Eugene Tordo, and today's video is I'm going to try out this Sonax Glass Polish made in Germany. If you watched my last video, or if you're new to the channel, I'll leave a link somewhere during this video to the last one. I tried out the new finish Scratch Doctor Glass Restore and Repel Kit, and it comes with a glass polish and a sealer. I never got to the sealer because the glass polish was so bad. The glass polish didn't do anything. I was really disappointed in it. But I still got scratches in my 2015 Chevy Track and my windshield that I want to polish out. So I went and got off Amazon some of this Sonax Profiline Glass Polish, made in Germany. In fact, the instructions on the back are in German, most of it. But then in the small, then down in the bottom note, it has an English. Felt pad rotary, speed 600 to 800 RPM, pressure 3 to 5 kilograms. Use water, don't let it dry. There's no silicone in this product. This is a cerium oxide, or I believe that's what it's called, paste. And this is what I really want to try. I did do another video trying to polish out my C4 Corvette, which is mostly what I work on in this on my YouTube channel, and I'll leave a link to that. That I used a cerium oxide paste that you have to mix yourself. That did okay, but it wasn't great. I didn't have any more of that, and I really wanted this paste style kind that you can get to try on this. So that's today's project. We're gonna see if I can get the scratches out of this and then polish the entire windshield. I still don't know if I'm going to use their sealant that comes in this. It's supposed to be good up to 2 years. I may try it after I get this done, but I don't think so. Anyway, let me move the camera around, and I'll give you a try and see if this camera will pick up the scratches and stuff that are on here. Keep in mind this is dirty, so it's got some streaking from the windshield wipers. That's not that can just be wiped off with a towel. It's just dirt. But let me move the camera around and I'll try and show you. Alright, I don't know if you can see this, but like right here, this is just buildup of different coatings and whatnot, whatever I've been using to polish the car and the car washes and road grime and stuff. That polish that I used from that new finish wouldn't even put a dent in this. All this other stuff you're seeing is dirt. But if you look up here, hopefully you guys can see that. There's that scratch there, and there, and there. And that's from me trying to remove tree sap. Oh, there's another one. Hopefully you guys can see that. But that's for me trying to use tree sap. Everything I tried to get the tree sap off wouldn't work. Everyone's gonna. You can recommend different ways if you want. You know, but right now, I gotta get rid of these scratches. And this I tried using steel wool on, and the steel wool scratched it. I did use the 000 steel wool, but that scratched the glass. So that's what I want to get out. They're not bad. They're not obstructing my view. They're just annoying and cosmetically annoying. So that's today's project. I'm going to get the DA polisher ready. I already got the felt pad on. Use a felt pad with this, and I got to get my sprayer full of water because you got to keep this stuff wet, not let it dry. So let's get going on that, and then we'll see how this turns out. All right, the polish is doing a good job. Got rid of that film that was on there that was below the windshield wipers. And the scratches, it did reduce the scratches, but it's going to take a lot more work and more pressure just concentrating on those spots. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead, get rid of this film down here, polish the entire windshield, and then I'm going to come back to those spots with the scratches and just concentrate on them. Those are going to take a lot of work and a lot of time, so let me get back to work, I guess. Alright, I'm going to have to take a break. Where the scratches are, where there's no scratches, I did a good job of removing the film. Where the scratches are, I had to turn the RPM up and put a lot of pressure on there. The scratches are still there. I did have to go inside the car and put masking tape underneath where the scratches were, where I can see them from the inside, because when you're polishing, you lose track of where they're at. I've been concentrating on this one spot here, and those scratches are reduced quite a bit. I don't know if I'm going to completely remove the scratches. It's a lot of work. I probably be out here a good hour to 2 hours just working on, let me see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 scratches. So I think I'm going to just like leave that one, get this one and that one and that one. And I'm just going to reduce the scratches. I ain't going to try and totally remove them. If this was like a high-end car or a muscle car, you know, an old muscle car or something really valuable, I'd spend a lot of time on it or take it to a professional detailer that can do that sort of thing, or even pop for a new windshield. Next year I might pop for a new windshield on my Corvette. That has over 289,000 miles on it. That windshield's just got wear and tear on it. I think I'm going to end the video here. You can keep watching. I'll keep playing in time lapse if you want to keep watching and listen to music. But yeah, the rest of the windshield, if I clean it off, looks good. You know what? Let me move the camera and show you, get a better close-up. Okay, I don't know if you can see the scratches or not. This is the one I haven't concentrated on yet. This is the one I concentrated on. You can barely see them after I wiped it with a towel. You might be able to see this one here. I got to put tape under there yet. And I don't know if you can see this. The tape kind of hides it. These other marks like that, that's on the inside of the windshield where I touched the inside of the windshield with my glove when I was putting the tape on. So I don't know how well you can see those or not, but they're there. So I'm going to concentrate on these other ones, and I'm going to finish this video up. Like I said, I'll keep playing it in time-lapse and play some music if you want to keep watching. But I'm going to end the video here. I'm just going to keep concentrating on those scratches and get this done and out of the way and out of here for the winter, I hope. Because it is winter here in Pennsylvania. It's November 12th, yeah. So, let me finish up, and everybody have a great day, and God bless.